tried, man, tried. You roughneck! Foxtrot, foxtrot. Foxtrot down. Okay, get the door around. This one's. Boom!
As you can see, my little Gorgon here, or at least that's what old Bob called him. Hello, Jordan. Did not really turn out correctly. He has a lot of cracking. The green, of course, is still coming through. It is not soft at all. I mean, just a lot of cracking. All through here. I'm not sure if it's because I overcooked it, or if it just doesn't work, or what I have done wrong. I will try him one more time and see if I can't, this is Poppers, if I can't get him fixed, at least some way. Well, not him, because I think he's not a keeper. But who knows, maybe. He's not fully dry either. It's, like I said, it's been way over 24 hours. He's not that thick. This is mostly a popsicle sticks throughout this part here. And then of course each one of here has popsicle toothpicks, as you can see, kind of sticking up. So this does shrink. Do remember, cold porcelain does shrink, so if you will be using any type of armatures, I think that's what they call them, you do want to make sure that they are smaller. Hello, Mr. Gorgon. I don't know what he's actually called, but that's what his name is now. I was going to put some pins in his eyes to give him some type of a texture, eyeballs, you know. So we'll give him a little bit more longer, but I think this is going to be the end of this video for the cold porcelain with the glue. Poor guy. You guys tell me what you think. Let me know if you've learned anything, if you know how I can fix it from overcooking it, other than putting it in for a minute. That was probably my fault. But anything at all. If you guys want to teach me something, or if you like me to teach you guys something, this is all an experiment. You're supposed to hold something here. That's why I made that little section. I did lose a lot of film because I did put him in for 300 at, I think I did like 7 minutes. And then I put a whole bunch of extra glue on it. As you can see, the back stuck to whatever it was being cooked to. So that's why you have the potholes here. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy. Hope you got a laugh at least. You guys have a great day and happy gaming.